Sensia is a global joint venture between two Fortune 500 companies, Schlumberger and Rockwell Automation, and they are targeted at sensing measurement technologies for the oil and gas space. Sensia is a new joint venture, but it does have very mature processes because of who its corporate parents are. So they were an interesting mix of somebody who wanted to have an IT infrastructure and a system all on their own, but they are already an established business in 35 markets globally and have a lot of mature requirements compared to the normal startup. Sensia chose MCA Connect because we had deep domain expertise and had participated in the dynamics evaluation with the entire Rockwell Automation team prior to Sensia being spun out. Sensia chose Microsoft over the competitors, largely due to them being in the technology space, and they really wanted to lean into the IoT capabilities of the Microsoft platform and enable them to use technology as a differentiator. We were in a pursuit neck and neck with Oracle on this deployment, and we won out largely due to the Microsoft technology story and the overall architecture. We are augmenting a previous Dynamics 365 CE deployment that we had done for Sensia Global in 2020. We are now automating their back office operations with a full comprehensive deployment of D365 finance and supply chain, as well as a D365 field service deployment and Power Portal access for customers, vendors, and subcontractors on top of it all. So our business transformation team is currently engaged with Sensia to define some global key performance indicators that they will be operating the business based on. And those will, of course, all be incorporated into our desired future state for the global rollout.